You have data, lots of data, but getting that data into a single place isn't easy, and ensuring it's reliable and usable is a whole other challenge. It requires time, effort, and expertise that most organizations just don't have. Too often, companies invest in data analytic tools, but underinvest in data engineering. That's where Infostrux comes in. We make data reliable and easy to use by doing the centralization, cleaning, integration, and modeling, which allows you to connect to a single copy of your data with ease. This saves you time and money so you can focus on what you really care about, which is gleaning actionable insights from your data. Our team of professional data engineers are experts in data analytics, data architecture, and data warehousing. We take responsibility for the integration, quality, governance, and security. Our team of SnowPro certified data experts are dedicated to using Snowflake Data Cloud and have deep Snowflake experience. We are also a Snowflake Services partner and work closely with them to help our customers build great solutions. With Snowflake, we help expand what you can do with your data, from business intelligence, machine learning, building data applications, to data sharing. And it uses SQL as the primary way to work with the data. That way, all your data is accessible for your analytic reporting and dashboards. This eliminates data silos and inconsistencies, which can lead to unreliable data. And when you're making important business decisions, you need reliable data that you can trust. Say goodbye to time-consuming and complex wrangling and cleaning of your data, and allow us to do the heavy lifting for you. Contact Infostrux today and let us help you unlock the value from your data.